Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. So this is the sample apartment of Godrej Ananda, which I am showing you. So this was there in phase 1 and phase 2. This type of unit, which is 904 square feet. We have entrance. The moment we enter, we have the living area here, and dining will be the side, and kitchen will be the side. Kitchen will have utility space. So this is, you will have a separation from the kitchen. It will not be within the kitchen. Refrigerator area, dining, and then balcony. So bedroom number, master bedroom. This is the master bedroom with attached washroom to it. And we have another room that side, other corner. So this unit was there in 1 and 2, that is phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 3, they have applied for RERA. Acknowledgement number received. If you're interested for phase 3, you may reach us. 2 BHK square feet starts from 1092 square feet, and the prices starts from 69.99 lakhs. If you're interested, don't forget to call us. Just thought of showing you this plan so that you will get a little bit idea about 904 square feet that we sold in 1 and 2. And we are channel partner to Godrej Properties in Bangalore. That's it from our side. Feel free to contact us for further details. We are available at the site. You may contact us. Even if you are not in India, no problem. We'll arrange you a virtual call from the sales team so that you will get more details about the project and other things. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Before that, those who are not aware of this project, Godrej Ananda, I'll tell you the location. This is there in North Bangalore. Aerospace Park, closer to International Airport, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. That's it. For details, you may reach us. Stay safe, everybody. Have a nice day.